Are you struggling coming up with copy for your newsletter, emails, just even for your post, and coming up with titles for your YouTube thumbnails? Did you ever wish that you had an assistant that would help you do that? Well, I have the perfect tool for you. Stay tuned and I'll tell you about my new favorite thing. Welcome back. If you are new to this channel, I'm Elizabeth, and my goal is to help you conserve your energy by finding tools that will help you accomplish your goal the easiest and fastest way. Now, my new favorite thing is that I am using is Copy AI. Copy AI is using artificial intelligence to come up with copy. I mean, have you struggled to come up with words for your digital ad copy? And yes, say, well, I gotta do a social media post. And not only do I have to do the post, I gotta come up with a caption to put down behind it. How do I fill out all of the things on my website and such? Well, my new favorite tool is Copy AI. Copy AI is using artificial intelligence to come up in less than 30 seconds a very viable and creative uh, words for your websites. They have over 90 different tools that can utilize it. If you, with Copy AI, let me tell you a little bit about it first. Um, Building Spiritual Muscle is my book. Now, you say, well, she has a book. She doesn't have a problem writing. Well, yes, I do. That book, I struggled to get it out. And it was only through the grace of God and my editor that the ideas got down on paper, because I guess I got ADHD. Writing has never been my zone of genius. But this particular tool makes it easy, quick for you to do. When I was managing, what I would do is I would tell my assistant, yeah, I had an assistant, and I would tell, hey, I want an email to go out to these people, and I wanted to have this information. And she would construct it, bring it back to me, give me a couple of different versions of it, and I would maybe tweak it a little bit, but for the most part, I would use it, and I was very happy with doing that. Now, when I became a solopreneur, meaning I had to do everything, that became a roadblock for me. That became something that hung me up and said, well, I guess I won't be able to get it out. Well, with Copy AI, you can tell it what you're looking to create, like writing a social media post. I can tell it what the main points that I want to cover. And even with um, abstract thoughts like what is energy work and how can you master it to help you attract the life you want, I can put that in, hit create copy, and in a few seconds, it comes up with several different versions that I can select from and decide which I want to do. Like, it is so um, intuitive that if I put down what my topic was, which is energy work, this was a social media post that I asked for. And because it knows it's a social media post, it even gives me a prompt of what kind of picture I might want to put with the words that it's suggesting. Okay. I can tell it I want 3 tips to educate and inspire the reader. Coming up with content. How do you come up with content? I tell you what the topic is, who it's from, who it's to, and I ask it to write in the first person and create copy. And here I get a couple of good examples. I'm a huge fan of energy work, which I am. It's not like putting words in my mouth, it's really taking that information which I already believe in and putting it in a very systematic way. So before I talk about the tips, it lets me know, let me tell you a little bit about how it works. So it goes into explaining what energy is and giving me 3 tips of how to do it. I can copy this straight here, done, finished. I asked again for 3 tips. It can tip 1, shift your thoughts. Tip 2, declutter your space. Tip 3, get up and moving. I don't know about you, but I was, I am totally amazed at the quality of copy I am getting, original copy that I'm getting for my post and my website and all of it, even to the description that you see down here. And as far as the YouTube channel, Copy AI. Okay. So if you are struggling uh, coming up with copy and you want a better, quicker, easier way to do that, I would suggest that you check out Copy AI. And if you go down in the just getting it back up, Copy AI. Um, you can get a free account. No credit card is required. Just click the link. And yes, I am an affiliate. After I saw how well this uh, this um, tool was, I said, hey, I know I'm going to be ringing the bell. So if you are looking to come up with content for all of your writing, I can even see where you could use it as a student to come up with papers because as an yeah, as a learning disabilities teacher, one of my the, our one area that I found that many of my students struggle with, and what I now find with a lot of you highly sensitive people, that you have been declared as ADHD, and so you have this phobia. Well, Copy AI will help you get through it. So check it out. Um, if you want to know um, the other two tools, which I really are helping me, check out these two tools. Uh, my video that I did, the top 3 tools for online presence. So I hope that that helps, and I wish you well. May you have a blessed day. Looking forward to seeing all the great copy and content